Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your post on Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Make sure you are logged into your Bigo Live account. Now, tap on the Me option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed profile picture. Now select Post option. Scroll down and select the post that you would like to share. Now tap on the post. Tap on the three horizontal dots which is at the top right corner of your post. There you can find Share button. Tap on it. Now select any platform that you would like to share. And this is how you can share your post on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.